This is a video guide about getting rid of the pop-up windows by the site bolicirame.com. Bolicirame.com stands for a dangerous site, attacking Google Chrome and other browsers, and this site basically tries to make you either download some potentially unwanted software or to make you subscribe to annoying advertisements that may be displayed as push notifications. Whatever the case might be, these pop-ups are dangerous, so do not trust them. Just leave this deceptive page. Also, I recommend you to additionally investigate your computer with the help of reliable antivirus application. And in this case, I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. So go to this page combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and once it gets successfully installed, start carefully investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of this scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.